Let's take a look at creating arithmetic problems in a quiz in BlazeView. To access your quizzes, from your course homepage, choose Assessments and then Quizzes. You can build questions within a quiz or your question library. For this example, let's build our question in our question library. Next, choose New and Arithmetic Question. First, you can provide a title for your arithmetic question. This is optional but may help you organize your questions better within your question library. Determine the point value and the difficulty. This can always be adjusted later. Insert your question text. Put variables within brackets. Later, we'll adjust the amounts the variables can stand for, so each student may receive different variables within the brackets. Insert an image and add a description if you'd like. In the formula space, include the formula that will determine the answer for your question. This is how BlazeView will grade the questions. Determine how precise students must be with their answers, whether or not they must provide specific units or percentages, and what those units are. If, for instance, you want to use specific units like newtons or kilograms, you can also determine if students' inclusion of those units is worth part of the total score of the question. Add your variables. For this example, our variables are x, y, and z. Then determine both the min and max that each variable can be. For this example, we'll set a minimum of 1 and a maximum of 5. The minimums and maximums can be different for each variable. You can also determine the decimal place that BlazeView will go to, as well as step increments. Feel free to include a question hint or question feedback. You can preview your question by selecting the preview option. You can also test your formula to ensure that it is correct. When you are done, select Save.